Abereki makadi yenyu. It's me again, Kumat Shawana Ganauti Brian. First of all, just want to thank you all from feedback, and I see that a lot of people are Kana, and that was the whole idea of this series that I started on how to apply for AMA permits. Okay, first of all, I'm just gonna say that Padua Nakawanda, they're still struggling. So what I've decided to do is noguna kubatsira for just can just pay 150, and then we'll help you until what I say watola permit yako. We'll make sure that we watola permit yako, everything that you need to nokubatsira need. So this is no scam or anything like that. I'm sure you've seen my face on my page and everything like that. So and squares are with anything like Biron or anything like that. So I think I'm gonna put some links at the bottom there, and the links will take you to a page. So what I did was I created a website to make it easier for you guys. You just fill in my information, and then I just say Ashdiwa, and then I will send you details on how you can deposit the money and it. So anyway, this video just wanna panwana watching phone about wangwachivunza, right? Kada waita inonzi pamwakanga na password yako and the like, then what happens and it saka get batsirane izo, and then also you need to know what munoza technology futhi sometimes it say ma mishap and it saka bamwana futhi they are experiencing my issues akaita say yeah, whereby you get this message document expired. Saka pamone ngwa try kuita say ku refresh a page